Oh. Okay guys, so out here for the 7th time and still no fish, but today I get to see some action. One guy caught a fish on the left of me and another guy caught a fish on the right of me, and you'll probably see some footage in the video. So man, gotta get one, man. Your uncle, man, so lucky, man. Yesterday and today, huh? Yeah. He catch it right there too, huh? That's his spot. Oh, man. Right there. Fish on. Fish on. Right there. Right there, fish on. Fish on right there. Fish on.
Close to the bank.
Yeah, close to the bank, yep. Hey, right spot, right time. Woo! Oh. Right spot, right time. Huh? Yeah. That looked pretty big. Probably, I don't know, maybe over 10 pounds it looked like. No net? Take your time. Yeah. What? Somebody lose a fish. What the hell? Hey, that's like 1 out of a million. Hey, right spot, right timing, man. Oh. Oh wow. Wow, that's crazy, man. He got caught twice. Oh wow, that's crazy, man. Yeah. Oh man, the guy that lost the fish, I feel sad for him, man. He already got it and he lost it. Yeah, still strong. Like fresh, man. They must have lose it today. Right there. This time for real. Fish on this time for real. I told you, hey, left, right only, never the middle. What did I tell you? Never the middle, man. Only left, right, left, right. Yeah. Never the middle, man. Only left and right. Oh! Oh. So close.
Rubber hook, man.